This German recipe for Senfeier, eggs in mustard sauce, is right from my Oma's cookbook, and it's a family favorite since generations. The simple dish is very popular in Germany as it is very budget-friendly and easy and fast to make with just a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. For this recipe, you will need butter, yellow mustard, a pinch of sugar, flour, salt and pepper, heavy cream, chicken broth and milk. As always, you can find the printable recipe below this video in the description. Start with bringing water to a boil in a large pot or use your preferred way to prepare hard-boiled eggs. Many years I pierced holes into my eggs before cooking them, but I find that it doesn't really make a big difference. But what really makes a difference, in case if an egg cracks, is to add a little bit of vinegar to the cooking water. This makes the egg white stock faster and you will have less egg white floating in the pot. I personally like my eggs semi-hard boiled, but you can cook them your preferred way. If you need some guidance on how many minutes you need to cook your eggs, you can find the information in the blog post. In this video, I cooked my large eggs for 10 minutes before I doused them with cold water and set them aside. I like to start boiling my potatoes before I make the mustard gravy, because everything goes real fast. While the potatoes are cooking, melt the butter in a medium-sized saucepan, then sprinkle in the flour and a pinch of sugar and mix everything well. Make sure to stir constantly for about 5 minutes until the butter flour mixture lightly browns, which is called a blonde roux. Then add the chicken broth and the milk to the roux and cook on medium heat until the sauce thickens. Make sure to stir constantly to make sure that the sauce doesn't burn. Then remove your pot from the heat before you add the heavy cream, salt and pepper, and the mustard. Mix everything until it's well combined. The heavy cream is optional, but I tell you, it really adds the special note to this. Make a taste test and decide if you would like to use a bit more mustard. Our family likes an intense mustard flavor, so I use usually about 14 tablespoons instead of the 10 tablespoons that the printed recipe calls for. To serve, place the eggs either into the sauce to reheat them, or if they are still warm, just ladle generously the delicious sauce over them. Serve with boiled or mashed potatoes, and there it is, a good old German comfort food dish. Guten Appetit!